Virgin Galactic will launch its billionaire founder Richard Branson and a crew of 5 others into suborbital space today, July 11th, and you can watch Milestone flight live online. Branson has stated that the entire flight will take about 90 minutes, including the ascent up to launch position, release, flight to space and glide back to Earth for a runway landing in Spaceport America. The 70-year-old Branson and the rest of his Unity 22 missions crew will depart from Spaceport America about 55 miles or 88 kilometers north of Las Cruces, New Mexico on Virgin Galactic's VSS Unity Spaceship 2 vehicle. The live broadcast was originally scheduled to start at 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, but will now begin 90 minutes later at 10:30 am Eastern Daylight Time due to weather delays moving the Spaceship 2 VSS Unity and its carrier plane VMS Eve out of their hangars, Virgin Galactic said today. You'll be able to watch the broadcast live on this page, the space.com homepage, and directly from Virgin Galactic. The Late Show's Stephen Colbert will host Virgin Galactic's webcast, with singer Khaled performing a new single and science communicator Kelly Girardi, who will launch on a Spaceship 2 flight next year, also appearing. Former Canadian Space Agency astronaut Chris Hadfield will, too.